Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself, wherein we are concentrating on some words to improve our English conversation. In today's video, we'll touch upon these 4 words. They are question, ready, read, rock. So let's start with the first word, question. Good question. Ask a question. In question. No questions. Answer the following questions. Teacher, I have a doubt. What's the first question? The test is made up of multiple choice questions. These are all relevant questions. Nina is a very good friend. I agree with you without question. Her ethics are beyond question. The lawyer questioned the witnesses about the robbery. The second word is ready. R-E-A-D-Y, ready. All ready. Get ready. Be ready. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. We will start whenever you are ready. Tia asked Sia if dinner was ready. Please tell me when dinner's ready. Sure. Are you ready to go out? I don't think I'm ready. I did better go get ready. I will start getting ready. Now I'm actually ready to go. The third word is red. R-E-D, red. Red light, red alert, dark red. Which of this is your favorite color? Red or blue? I would say dark red. We painted the house red. You need to stop at the red light in the traffic signal. Respect others. Stay behind the red line. Do you like green apples? I like red apples better than green. Teachers often use red pens to correct student work. The red belt goes well with your black dress. The last word for the day is rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Piece of rock. P-I-E-C-E, piece. Piece of rock. Rocking chair. Rocking cradle. Rock and roll. Rock bottom. Rocks take millions of years to form. Rocks on the moon are older than rocks on earth. Really? Yes. Rishit is a rock climber. He enjoys rock climbing. I listen to rock music. Elvis Presley was a famous rock singer. The mother rocked the baby to sleep. The waves rocked the boat. So that's all for today. I hope you are practicing with all the words that I'm putting up almost on a daily basis. Do practice it. Sit at least for half an hour, 30 minutes with these words, and you will surely start speaking English very confidently. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, be happy always.